Welcome back to Dream House, where we explore the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a bold interpretation of luxury travel that blends Cadillac's iconic design language with the freedom of the open road. This motorhome is not just about getting from one destination to another. It's about turning the journey itself into a premium experience. From the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome instantly stands out with a confident and elegant presence. The design feels unmistakably Cadillac, with a wide stance, clean sculpted body lines, and a front fascia inspired by the brand's latest luxury SUVs. Vertical LED lighting elements, a massive grille treatment, and smooth aerodynamic panels give it a modern, upscale look rather than a traditional bulky RV feel. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, allowing natural light to flood the cabin while also enhancing the motorhome's sleek profile. Polished alloy wheels, chrome accents, and subtle Cadillac badging complete the exterior, making this motorhome look more like a rolling luxury suite than a typical recreational vehicle. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome focuses on comfort, space, and premium materials. Cadillac's attention to detail is immediately noticeable with soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, real wood or brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The seating area is designed to feel like a high-end lounge featuring plush captain's chairs, a spacious sofa, and a multifunctional dining space. The kitchen area is compact yet luxurious, equipped with modern appliances, smart storage solutions, and high-quality finishes. Toward the rear, the sleeping area offers a calm and private environment with a comfortable bed, subtle lighting, and cleverly integrated storage. The bathroom, though concise, maintains a premium feel with modern fixtures and a clean, elegant layout. Overall, the interior prioritizes relaxation and refinement without sacrificing practicality. When it comes to performance, 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is expected to deliver a smooth and confident driving experience rather than raw aggression. Power likely comes from a refined turbocharged gasoline engine or a modern diesel option tuned to provide strong torque for highway cruising and long-distance travel. Cadillac's advanced suspension system plays a major role here, absorbing road imperfections and keeping the ride stable even on uneven surfaces. Steering is designed to be light yet precise, making the motorhome surprisingly manageable for its size. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and automatic emergency braking, help reduce driver fatigue and enhance safety on long journeys. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is positioned firmly in the premium segment. While official numbers may vary depending on configuration and features, the expected starting price is likely to sit in the high luxury range, reflecting Cadillac's brand value and the level of craftsmanship on offer. Higher trims and custom packages could push the price even further, especially for buyers looking for exclusive materials, advanced technology upgrades, or personalized interior layouts. This motorhome is clearly aimed at buyers who value comfort, prestige, and a distinctive presence on the road. In conclusion, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome represents a new direction for luxury travel, combining the elegance of a Cadillac with the practicality of a modern motorhome. It's designed for those who want to explore without giving up refinement, offering a smooth driving experience, a comfortable living space, and a strong visual identity. This is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of lifestyle and luxury on wheels. Stay tuned to Dream Autos for more in-depth reviews of future vehicles that redefine the way we travel.